Enjoying yourself, right? Are you guys enjoying yourself?
Try to
That's it. Are you guys enjoying
video,
yourself?
sir.
I'm gonna make you guys enjoy yourselves, and I hope you guys enjoy this. It's gonna be a cappella, no BPM, just my beautiful voice. Okay. Everywhere I'm turning, nothing seems complete. I stand up and I'm searching for the better part of me. I hang my head from sorrow, slated humanity. I wear it on my shoulders. I gotta find the strength in me. 'Cause I am a superwoman. Yes, I am. Yes, she is. And even when I'm a mess, I still burn a vest with a nest on my chest. Oh, yes, I'm a superwoman. For all the mothers fighting for better days to come, and all my women sitting here trying to come home before the sun. And all my sisters coming together, say yes I will, and yes I can, 'cause I am a superwoman. Yes I am, and yes she is. And even when I'm a mess, I still put on a vest with a nest on my chest. Oh yeah, I'm a superwoman. Oh hey. When I'm breaking down and I can't be found, 'cause I start to get weak. Oh hey. 'Cause no one knows me underneath these clothes. 'Cause I can fly. We can fly. Oh, oh. I am superwoman. Yes, I am. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy.
Good job, my man.
I love you guys. Fuck.